Hi, this is Yeho. I'm a option trader. Today is September 25, 7:36 a.m. Japan time. Let's review the markets. Yesterday, the Nikkei closed at 45630 a.m. That's up 0.3% from the previous day. The Brody index is at 24.42. The PER is 18.23. EPS is 2503 yen. So the index itself looks fun. But when you look at the individual stocks, it does not feel like broad-based strength. We had totaled 1705 names. Tech-related stock being sold, including other internet names with high margins under the pressure. Semiconductor remained strong, but defense, steel, and material started gains and again yesterday. This shift likely reflects geopolitical risk. Investors are picking up on it, and money is rotating. The UN is in a session now, but clearly the world is not moving toward a cooperation. The US and the EU and the BRICS bloc, Brazil, India, and China are lying up on opposite sides. And geopolitical risks are not just about Russian anymore. They are spreading across many fronts. At the same time, crime is increasing. Gun incidents are up in the US. Even in Japan, where safety is usually strong, serious crimes seems to be rising. Longer-term inflation is making life harder. The stress spill into geopolitical risk and domestic security issues. This helps explain why defense stocks are being bid up. There's also the US also private loan issue. The both are keeping surfacing. And on Wall Street, criticism of President Trump has gone quiet. Maybe something is being coordinated behind the scenes. When crisis comes, its government does step in. So financial players may be holding back criticism for strategic reasons. All of this makes me think the Nikkei index looks strong, yes, but the internal picture is more fragile, especially the fact that the defense stocks are leading. That's what I'm paying attention to. Now, let's turn to the US market. The S&P closed at 66380 point, down 0.2%. The VIX is 16.18, basically unchanged. Gold fell to $3736, down 0.87%. That's real production. The GBP is at 18.3, slightly lower than 19.06 the day before, but still showing upward pressure. Bitcoin is 113,531, not much change. So the real question is how much of these geopolitical risks and social risks are bleeding into the economy? I think gold and resource and defense stocks are the key signal. When Japanese equities rise, it's often defensively. That's what we are seeing now. Globally, funds are shifting from US equities into Japan. Domestically, and tech growth is being sold. Defense and resource supplies are behind the boat. Money is moving from the growth market into the safer world. That index is strong, but fundamentals analysts deserve close watch. We are in the kind of phase right now. That's all for today. If you like to take a long position in my contents, please follow me. Okay, see you tomorrow.